Get a feel for the 2021 Lexus GX. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy a view of this handsome and rugged Lexus GX, the midsize all-wheel drive luxury SUV with 3-row seating, a host of luxurious amenities, and serious off-road aptitude. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, heated driver's seat, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, power passenger seat, satellite radio, heated mirrors, heated front seat, aluminum wheels. Don't pass up the opportunity to live your outdoor life to the fullest. Get into this GX and go. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.